Hello, everyone. Welcome to the BIM Practice Online Classroom. In this lesson, we will start learning about sloping roof. You will be explained the drawing of various types of sloping roofs in the project. In this lesson, we will learn how to draw a sloping roof. Roofs are the uppermost enclosure of a building and also an important part of a house. Their styles and configurations are also varied. Revit provides a variety of creation tools. Among them, Roof by Footprint is generally used to create generic roofs and draw sloping roofs by checking and setting the slope value. The roof of this project is drawn using Roof by Footprint. According to the roof plan of this project, the roof is built with 200 mm thick concrete slab. The slope of all sloping roofs is 0.3%, and the roof profile is shown in the figure. The outer profile of the roof is 540 mm away from grid lines 2, 4, and 7, as well as grid lines G, E, C, and A. Let's sketch a sloping roof. Open the Roof view, click Roof in the Build panel of the Architecture tab, and select the Roof by Footprint command. Enter the Modify Create Roof Footprint interface, click Edit Type in the Properties panel to pop up Type Properties, select Roof, copy a new roof and name it Sloping Roof. Click Structure in Type Properties, click the Edit button on the right, and modify the structural thickness of the roof panel to 200 mm according to the sheet to complete the setting of roof properties. After that, we can start sketching the roof line. According to the sheet, sketch the roof profile by lines and pick lines, and then sketch the roof line. For the overlong or excessive roof lines, find Split Element in the Properties panel, cut and remove the excessive segments, or find Trim Extend to Corner in the Properties panel to trim the corners. Select the sketched roof lines. Check Define Roof Slope in the Properties panel and enter the required slope, which is 0.3% in this project, then enter 30 degrees in the Properties dialog until every segment with a slope is drawn. After setting the sketch and slope, click the check mark in the Modify Create Roof Footprint contextual tab, create the roof panel, and switch to 3D view and check the model. In the 3D view, there is a gap between the wall and the roof, so we need to modify the settings of the wall. Select all the walls on the attic floor, click Attach Top Base, and then select the roof so that the walls can be attached to the appropriate position of the roof. Back to the 3D view, there is a gap in the exterior wall which shall be mended, so we go back to the attic floor plan and sketch an exterior wall in the appropriate position. Then, switch to the 3D view, find the front wall and extrude it up and down to an appropriate height. Switch to the front elevation and click it, and use the Align command in the Build panel to align that wall with the exterior wall. Back to the 3D view, select that wall, click Edit Profile on the Modify Wall tab in the Build panel of the Architecture tab to edit and modify the profile of the wall. Finally, click the check mark to confirm. This completes the sketching of the roof. Next, let's summarize the highlights for this lesson. 1. When sketching the roof profile, use the Pick Line tool. After entering the offset value, select the line to be picked and press the space key to change the direction of the offset line. 2. If a flat roof is to be created, do not check Define Slope in the Properties bar. 3. When setting a wall-attached roof, you can select all the components and then leave the ones required while removing others using the filter. That concludes this lesson. Thank you for listening. See you next time.